In recent years, the beauty industry has seen a surge in interest around semi-permanent makeup techniques, particularly when it comes to eyebrow enhancement. Among these techniques, ombre brows have gained immense popularity for their soft, gradient appearance that mimics the natural look of brow. Preparation ***. On the day of the procedure, the brow area will be thoroughly cleaned to remove any makeup or oils. A topical numbing cream is applied to minimize discomfort during the process. Ombre shading technique ***. Using a machine or a hand tool, the technician will start applying the darker pigment to the tail of the brow. The technique involves creating a soft gradient effect, with the darker color gradually fading into the lighter shade towards the front. This may involve using small dots or strokes to replicate the look of natural. Cleaning up ***. Once the shading is complete, the technician will clean the brow area to remove any excess pigment and ensure a polished look.